Hey everybody, it's Rachel Moore with Remax Performance and it is Wisdom Wednesdays. So what are we learning today? Today, I really want to focus on the importance of interior spring maintenance checklists. Now that our weather is getting nicer, our windows are being opened, we really want to be able to do some checklists down the house, make sure that everything is all in good working order. And if anything needs to be addressed, now's the time that we want to know. So the first thing I want you to do, let's think of our kitchen. So I want you to run your dishwasher with a disinfectant. This should be done like biannually. So if you can remember to do a spring and a fall, that'll be really great. You also want to do the same thing with your washing machine. Put a disinfectant in there, run it with run a full cycle on hot water and get it cleared out. Above your stove, you're going to have your fan, the exhaust fan. There's a filter in there. Take that out, soak it in hot soapy water because you want to remove all the oils that it's gathered so that it's actually exhausting properly. Um, your ceiling fans, a lot of people don't know this, that your ceiling fans have different rotations based off of season. So spring, summer, it's one way, fall, winter, it's a different way. I can't remember them right now. So Google them and make sure they're going the right way so that you're moving the air properly. You want to take out the furnace filter and replace it with a new one. So again, most times they recommend it every 3 months. Many people are every 6 months. So again, another easy thing to put on a spring and a fall checklist so that you know that you're doing them when you should. You want to also check, this is crucial actually, you want to check your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, any alarms, security alarms that you have set up, whether it would be an alarm maybe for your sump pump, hot water tank. You want to check all those, make sure they're all in great working order and test them and replace batteries if needed. So I would really recommend that. And keep in mind, all smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors have to be replaced every 10 years. So write a little Sharpie on it, the date you've installed it, 10 years later, get rid of it. I know it's still working, get rid of it and put a new one in and keep your family safe. You have probably shut your hose off outside, so you want to make sure that it is unthawed and it's not frozen before you open it, test it, and get it ready to use it for the summer. You want to also get your carpets deep cleaned. So especially if you've got pets, windows have been closed all winter long. You want to open them up, get those carpets cleaned, and just a nice fresh start for the spring. If you have a fireplace or a wood stove, now's the time to call a chimney clearing company and get that cleared of any debris or any soot that's actually starting to build up on the interior. You want that clean so it's ready to go for the fall. If your home has been built after about 1995, you may find that you have a humidistat beside your thermostat. Um, the humidistat is there to actually control the humidity within your home during the winter months. Newer homes are built really airtight, so nothing is escaping. You want to be able to control that humidity so condensation doesn't build up on your windows. In the summertime, you want to turn that off completely. And the reason being is because your central air now kicks in and that removes the humidity from your home. So don't force the two systems to compete with one another. It's not necessary. So, and again, you know what, you guys, spring is in the air. We're getting a little fed up, a little bit of cabin fever, especially with this lockdown that we've been on. Pour yourself your favorite summer beverage. Go sit outside in the sun and just really look forward to a great summer. So again, double check our social media because we'll have these tips up for you as well, for you to just print them out, check them off as you go, and you're ready for a new summer. So if you have any other questions, let us know. We always want to hear your questions. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, and please look out for one another. Cheers.